Welcome to Draw with a Rouge. Open Ibis Paint X app.
Start with 1 by 1 square canvas. Choose the lightest yellowish color. Add circular ruler. Add color using bucket tool. Add new layer and clip mask it. Choose the darker shade. Add shadow by using Airbrush Normal. Add more shadows to give some texture effect. Add a new layer again. Choose some dull orangish shade. Shade to give some warmth. Choose more lightish color and give some lightening effect. Add a new layer and give some highlight effect using bright yellow color. Add some more texture by adding some lines and blurring it. Add a new layer and change the blending mode to overlay. Choose brighter shade of orange and give some warm effect. Choose bright yellow color and add some highlights on same layer. Add a new layer and change the blending mode to add. Add some more highlights using yellow color. Set the opacity of the layer up to 37 to 40%. Add a new layer again and add some more highlight. Change the blending mode of layer to color dodge. Add some light highlights on corners to give some reflection. Use the eraser tool Airbrush trapezoid 20%. Slightly erase some of highlight on ground. Add new layer and drag it down. Select darkest shade and add shadow on the ground using Airbrush tool. Lower the opacity of layer up to 75%. And tada, we are done!